Are you looking for the best ergonomic foam guns in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best ergonomic foam guns that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Foam King Car Wash Foam Gun. The Foam King Car Wash Foam Gun from Clean Car USA is designed to bring thick suds and adjustable cleaning power to an ordinary garden hose. It fits common 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch hoses, creating a low-pressure foaming system without extra machines or complicated attachments. 6 foam concentration settings let you match the soap mixture to the job, whether the vehicle needs a light maintenance wash or a heavier pre-soak for stubborn grime. A separate rinse setting makes it easy to switch from applying foam to washing it away. The slick suds help soften and lift abrasive dirt before contact washing, which may reduce scratching on painted surfaces. Foam can also reach awkward areas such as wheel housings, roof racks, and body gaps more effectively than plain hose water. This versatile sprayer works with cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, ATVs, campers, and outdoor equipment. It is especially useful for drivers who want a simple, affordable alternative to pressure washer foam cannons. Overall, Foam King delivers convenient control, broad compatibility, and an enjoyable at-home washing experience. Simple operation should appeal to beginners. Moving on at number 4, we have the Crywag Car Wash Foam Gun Kit. The Crywag Car Wash Foam Gun Kit combines several useful washing tools in one package for convenient driveway detailing. It connects to a standard garden hose, so no pressure washer is needed, and creates rich foam that helps loosen dust, dirt, and road grime before scrubbing. This pre-soak step can make contact washing smoother and may reduce the risk of paint scratches. The included microfiber wash mitt is softer and easier to control than a traditional sponge, helping lift remaining dirt while staying gentle on exterior surfaces. Crywag also includes an extra nozzle and a sprayer with 3 modes, allowing you to change the water pattern for foaming, rinsing, or other outdoor jobs. The company claims up to 50% higher water pressure, although actual performance will depend on household water flow. Beyond washing cars, trucks, RVs, and motorcycles, the sprayer can rinse driveways, clean sidewalks, water plants, or bathe pets. A 2-year free replacement warranty adds reassurance. Overall, this all-in-one kit offers flexibility, value, and beginner-friendly operation for regular home vehicle care. It should suit most occasional home detailers. At number 3, we have the AstroAI Heavy-Duty Foam Cannon. The AstroAI Foam Cannon is built for vehicle owners who already use a pressure washer and want dense foam with adjustable coverage. It operates within a 1,000 to 3,000 psi range and connects through a 1/4 inch quick connect plug, so checking your pressure washer fitting before purchase is important. This model cannot be used with a standard garden hose. Its 1-liter bottle has an extra wide opening, making it easier to add soap and water without spills or waste. A heavy-duty foam core helps create thicker suds, while the top control adjusts detergent concentration. You can also change the spray pattern and rotate the nozzle holder 360 degrees to direct foam where it is needed. Beyond cars, the cannon can clean motorcycles, bicycles, windows, driveways, siding, roofs, and other outdoor surfaces. The upgraded filter block is designed to protect internal parts from foam and water particles. For reliable performance, rinse and dry the tool after use. Overall, it is a versatile pressure washer accessory for detailed, efficient home cleaning. Its wide bottle and flexible nozzle controls make detailing sessions more manageable. At number 2, we have the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun and Microfiber Wash Mitt. The SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun is an easy home washing kit designed for anyone who wants better foam coverage without using a pressure washer. It attaches quickly to a standard garden hose and works with different car wash soaps, turning ordinary water flow into a thick layer of lubricating suds. Its 6 adjustable foam settings let you choose a light mixture for routine cleaning, or heavier foam for dirt, dust, and road grime. By loosening contamination before hand washing, the foam can help reduce unnecessary rubbing, swirl marks, and scratches on paint, chrome, glass, wheels, and exterior trim. The included microfiber wash mitt adds value by giving you a soft contact washing tool after the pre-soak stage. Setup is straightforward. so the kit suits beginners as well as car enthusiasts who want a quicker driveway wash. It can handle cars, trucks, and other vehicles while giving users more control than a basic hose nozzle. Overall, SwiftJet offers a convenient, complete, and approachable option for creating a safer, more enjoyable car washing routine at home. The adjustable design also supports different cleaning preferences. And finally, at number 1, we have the Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6. The Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6 is a practical choice for drivers who want thick, lubricating suds without buying a pressure washer. It connects directly to a standard garden hose and uses an adjustable foam ratio dial, allowing you to switch from a lighter soap mixture to dense foam for dirtier vehicles. The rich suds help surround road grime and dust before contact washing, which can reduce the risk of swirl marks and scratches on paint, glass, wheels, and trim. Its quick-release connections and ergonomic design make setup simple, even for beginners. Because no special tools or machines are required, it works well for routine driveway washes and can be used on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. The Foam Blaster 6 also makes the washing process more enjoyable for families while still offering useful control over soap concentration. Overall, this is a durable, user-friendly foam gun for anyone seeking a safer and more convenient way to wash a vehicle at home using equipment they already own. It balances foaming performance, accessibility, and paint-safe washing for regular weekend maintenance.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.